Welcome to 1 Victoria Street, home to InterSystems here in Windsor.
This is more than just an office. It's where innovation, collaboration and well-being come together under one roof. Let's take you inside. Every corner here is designed to inspire.
From open-plan spaces to cosy breakouts.
Training zones and a mini theatre. It's all about flexibility, flow and feeling connected.
Whether you're deep in focus
Or brainstorming with teammates, you'll find the right spot to work your way.
complete with high-tech tools, natural light and plenty of personality.
And yes, we brought the outdoors in. Living walls, lush planters and calming colours help keep things fresh, focused and inspired.
We're perched in a prime location with stunning views, great transport links and Windsor's long walk just minutes away. Yes, it's really that scenic.
And we're thinking green. Not this green.
Bike storage, EV charging, and even a sedum roof.
It's all part of our commitment to sustainability.
The real energy? It comes from the people.
Lunches, coffee catch-ups, spontaneous chats. This place is alive with connection and community.
Need to recharge? Game on.
Or take a breather with yoga and Pilates. Your well-being matters here. Thanks for joining us on the tour.
We can't wait to welcome you to the team.
Here's to growing, creating and thriving together. Right here at InterSystems.